If you are tired of your TikTok videos getting stuck at 100 views, or if your business isn't seeing the sales you want, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will know the top strategies to go viral on TikTok, how to adopt the TikTok's latest algorithm changes, and the common mistakes to avoid to boost your business on TikTok. Welcome to the SocialPilot YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe for daily tips on growing your social media presence and check out the free resources linked below. First up, let's talk about how to go viral on TikTok. Here are 5 steps to help you out. Step 1. Use feedback loops. You need to use feedback loops to figure out what kind of content to create. This means researching trending topics, checking out on successful competitor videos, and tweaking your content based on what works. For example, find out if your videos on the topic got over 1 million views in the last month. Study their length, format, and pacing. Or if not yours, check the inspiration accounts of TikTok of the same industry and niche. Step 2 is to analyze competitors' content. See what your competitors are doing right. Look for visual hooks, text, or audio hooks in their videos. Make sure your videos are just as engaging, if not more. If your competitors are using a catchy visual hook in their first 3 seconds, make sure you use the same and add it a unique twist for yourself. Step 3. Optimize post-production. Before posting, ask yourself, does my video have a strong hook? Is the pacing right? Did I include a call to action? Is my description engaging and well structured? An engaging TikTok description should be at least of 200 characters, spaced out, and include emojis to enhance readability. Step 4. Monitor post performance. After posting, analyze your video's watch time and audience retention. Identify where the drop-offs occur and think about how to keep the viewers engaged for longer. Remember, most videos get the views after the first 24 hours, so don't stress if you don't get the immediate results. And finally, step 5. Use analytics tools. Use tools like Accountic to track engagement and find the best times to post. This will help you to optimize your posting schedule and hashtags. Most importantly, stay consistent with your posting schedule and have a robust calendar around your TikTok strategy. You can use SocialPilot for your advanced TikTok publishing, which allows you to schedule videos, carousel posts, and much more. Leverage AI to create bulk content and save it in the content library. You can even save the highest performing hashtags to include it all in your TikTok post descriptions in just one go. Now let's talk about some important algorithm updates on TikTok for 2024 that is affecting your TikTok presence. TikTok's latest update shows a shift from trending sounds. So TikTok now favors original sounds over trending ones. So focus on talking directly to the camera and using a copyright-free background sound. Use your own voice and original sounds and don't rely on the trending sounds for growth as you might be doing similar on Instagram currently. The second update mentions about long-form content and creator fund changes. The creator fund has been replaced with the creativity program, which rewards longer videos. Focus on creating content longer than 1 minute. Create informative, engaging videos that are over 1 minute long and don't repost short, low-quality videos from other platforms. As per the new updates, TikTok now supports horizontal landscape videos. Experiment with horizontal videos, especially if you have received a notification from TikTok. Don't ignore this format shift. It's been heavily promoted by TikTok. Last but not the least, live streams. TikTok is pushing longer live streams to build authentic connections. Going live boosts your visibility and engagement. Go live several times a week, especially after posting new content. Don't avoid live streams due to anxiety. It's a great way to engage with your audience. Now that we know how to make viral content and beat the algorithm changes, let's talk about some common mistakes businesses make on TikTok and how to fix them. The first big mistake businesses do is boosting posts. Boosting posts that aren't performing well organically is a waste of money. Instead, focus on creating content that is engaging and promote it through TikTok's ad platform. Run Spark ads to amplify successful posts. Mistake 2. Cross-posting identical content. Posting the same content across different platforms does not work due to different audience expectations. Tailor your content to fit the context of each platform. And are you still using external links in your TikTok post? If yes, that's the mistake 3 you are still practicing. Using links ineffectively, including external links in your post, can decrease your reach. TikTok prefers native content. Promote lead magnets or products through TikTok Shop or in-app features. Finally, the last mistake you're probably making is creating ad-like content. Viewers distrust obvious ads. Creating organic, problem-solving content that naturally leads viewers to your product will be helpful. Make content that looks native to the platform and engage viewers authentically. TikTok algorithm prioritizes content that keeps viewers engaged. This means you need to nail the both topic and the format. And one word difference in your video description or a slight change in the video length can significantly impact your reach. Trends in search based on content. Create content that ranks search terms. More than 50% of people under 35 use TikTok for searches. If someone searches for tips on gardening and your videos appear consistently, it boosts your organic reach. Stay updated with the latest trends in your niche. Tie your content to popular events or news to increase relevance. To master TikTok in 2024, use feedback loops, optimize post-production, adapt to new platform updates, avoid common mistakes, and understand the algorithm. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And check out the links in the description for free resources and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll be talking about YouTube algorithms.